now guys, okay guys, we're in West Manor, so look at there. Alright guys, we're in West Manor. It's very beautiful here, so make sure like and subscribe. So this is my birthday. So this is my birthday cake. So this is the cake. So let's try. This is a Hershey Kisses. That's fine. 10 out of 10. Oh well. Alright, let's check out there. Let's check out there. So
Hindi dyan lang. Bakit ka lang?
okay guys, so let's go. Excuse me, mommy. Mommy pala.
Mama May, I'm not Mama May.
Okay, this is my cake, badminton. That's good. 10 out of 10 design. That's actually good. I rated 10 out of 10 design. Made by Mommy, Mama May, and
Anong name ko?
Ate Marichu.
Oh, Berg.
See, I'm not saying your name. Guys, this is familiar about this one. Let's make sure I get this right.
Sa gitna. Did you want it in the middle? Dito?
I want it here.
Dito?
I want it here.
Sa middle?
Yep, I want it here.
Here. Parang ang daming shuttle talk yan. Ba't yan na?
Shuttlecock and badminton and a bear. Okay, guys.
Gulong mo naman, steady mo naman.
I know.
Uy, in charge. Gayahin mo si Mr. Bean.
Oh. Help me. Oh. Guys, this is my birthday. So, badminton racket. Hello, Timika. And this is my mommy. Chocolates like that. Okay, how about these?
Ganda na kibika sa background. Saan ba harap? Dito? Dito na. O, di magpipicture.
And this is 11.
Dito na harap. Dito na harap. O, dito magpipicture. O, ito na happy birthday.
Okay, guys. Ate Mika will be the cameraman, so watch me up. Alright, guys.
Cameraman.
Or Ate Marichu. Sorry about that.
Oh, bakit? Bublo ka na?
Okay, guys.
Na para bang ako ang...
Vlog ka na, saglit lang kasi. Wait lang kasi. Ay,
Thanks yung one
Please
ate.
like and subscribe for more.
next year na ulit. Uy, dapat hindi pa natin yung isang, yun o, dun sa kabila, yun eh. Yung malaki. Sa kabilang side.
Look at this cake, badminton. So we have chocolate
Yung
cup,
isang malaki
happy
doon sa kabila,
birthday
dito.
sign, 11, chocolate,
Magtite.
chocolate and Hershey's Kisses. And we have a badminton racket, shuttlecock, and shuttlecock. And then another shuttlecock and badminton, and then badminton 1, 2, 3 stars. And then a person holding a badminton, another one.
Very good.
And a happy birthday cakes. And then A. And we have balloon. I am 1 year old.
Ay, baliktad natin.
Give me my one. Alright.
Parang may
I
video
am
ka pa.
11 years old, so make sure like and subscribe.
At ayos na.
11 years old. Woohoo! Yes, oh.
Ang init. Hello mo.
My birthday, let's go. 11 years old. Make sure like and subscribe for more DJ vlogs like this. Wait, no, hold up.
No, ikaw na.
Hold up,
na.
guys.
Hold mo na.
Okay, birthday. So make sure like and subscribe for more DJ
Ito yung cellphone ko
vlogs.
dyan sa'yo.
Huh?
Cheese.
Happy birthday, dear. So make sure like and subscribe. So let's go.
Kinain mo ko mga kinain. Ay, Victory.
Guys, okay guys, so let's go. So okay guys, so what should we do? Nothing? Oh, nothing. Oh well. So all to do is to see the cake. So make sure like and subscribe for more summer trips like this. You can have the one, Ate Mika. Ate Mika. You're in the vlog now, bro. Oh, come on. There we go. There's my pancit, my pizza. Forget that one. And pancit canton. And pancit canton. That's all. So make sure like and subscribe for more DJ vlogs like this. So, guys.
Yung happy dito.
There we go.
Saan yung birthday? Happy tapos birthday. Saan?
Hindi, harap dito ah.
Very delicious, right, guys? Guys, if you're hungry, make sure like and subscribe. If you're hungry. So we are setting up. So later we'll do the blow up candles and going to swimming. We're gonna swim and Ate Mika will be the cameraman.
Yeah.
From swimming.
Yung dulo.
I gotta swim then.
Yo.
Uh,
Ako rin. I'm happy. No?
Daddy,
Harap dito.
no, you're gonna swim with me.
Akala ko dito
Ate,
na
wait.
Yara with you.
Yeah, so make sure like.
Dito.
Daddy,
Kasi walang camera dyan.
oh man.
Magulo kaya pala.
I gotta bring an umbrella. Ibalikan mo.
Oh well,
Yung paa mo. Danger safe.
bro. So, the sun isn't even. The sun isn't even isn't even dead. Even death.
Kinihimutin na lang. What you doing?
Oh, hi. Let's drink water. Okay guys, let's just here, a cheese pizza from Shikis.
Ah, dito yung harap.
Good na yun.
Kasi wala lang picture. Doon tayo.
Slow down.
Saan niya tayo harap?
So, doon tayo ako.
For real?
Dito tayo.
Yeah, for real. Bro,
Ah, oo nga. Dito tayo harap.
you stop it or you're fired. Okay, okay, fine.
Yan na yung happy. Dito tayo.
Mukbang yan. Grabe naman. Slow down or you might choke. I'm not gonna choke. Oh, you give me one.
Patay siya din yung ano handa mo dito.
But, okay guys.
May take care dyan.
No reaction guys. It is my birthday guys. So say happy birthday to DJ Vlogs.
Ay, iba pa ng konti ng tol.
We got Ate Mika,
Ay,
Dad,
Oh,
we
yun
have
na.
Ate
Ayan, okay na.
Marichu,
Okay na yan.
Mama May, my uncle, and my mom. Yep, there. And today we're gonna Daddy will be the and Ate Marichu will be the cameraman while I was swimming.
Okay, ako na lang.
Maybe uncle.
No, ako na lang. Ako na lang.
Uncle. Cameraman. You're the cameraman after the. Make sure like and subscribe.
Di na lang, DJ.
Uncle.
Ako na lang.
But you're gonna swim.
No, I'm gonna come with you, but I'm not gonna swim.
Okay. Do not let this die. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Ate Mika will be the cameraman, so make sure like and subscribe. So let's wait. Hold up, guys. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna fix something.
Asa yung salad na ano?
Huh?
Pasta lang. Kaya nga, hindi, imagine nyo na.
Pasta. Look up.
Imagine na lang kami na.
Spaghetti versus pasta. Nothing with flavor. You're not the cameraman now. No, you're not the cameraman. You're not the cameraman. Sorry. Ah! Stop, Uncle.
Tira mo doon.
So make sure like and subscribe for more DJ vlog, for more summer trip like this.
DJ, you guys lang.
Okay. Okay guys, hold up guys. Please stand by guys. Okay guys, we are back and then we are back guys. So sorry about that for the please stand by. So make sure like and subscribe. So please. So sorry about that. So let's go begin this. So let's So this is the cake, okay guys. So today we're gonna celebrate my birthday. So make sure like and subscribe.
Agad ka, oh.
Hindi ko makita si mga cup.
So let's wait, okay? Cameraman. You're the cameraman of the happy birthday, okay? So make sure like and subscribe guys. We're gonna do the candles and later we're going to swim. A cameraman, okay?
Han.
So make sure like and subscribe.
Hindi yan. Yun na yung mas malaki dito.
Okay guys, Uncle will be the cameraman. So make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more summer
Hindi
tips.
yan. Yan para sa salon. Saan hanapin mo? Ikaw lang sa atin.
Yep, pretty beautiful.
Hanapin mo.
You have to end the video and go to that video, okay? So make sure like and subscribe for more summer tips.
Yung?
Yung kabang ka, yung ganun na yung sound nila.
Ako pa salon.
Doon ka na, DJ. Mag-blow ka na.
Yung gonna handles are golden. That's great. Wait,
Hanap dito. Happy birthday.
There's a good parts to make my energy so big.
oh guys, I'm gonna take a
I
picture.
go first as I'm open, but let's close this distance.
So guys, so make sure like and subscribe for DJ. Hold up guys. 15 minutes na yun. Okay guys, it's 12 minutes now, so in 15 minutes we'll go to the video. So I'll see the cameraman. In 15 minutes we will go to the video
Tension so intense, I
at
can
another 15 minutes. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.